Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In a world that moves faster each day, where trend reach and feel like whisper, there remain one thing that never loses its charms, the grace. One of timeless design, Mimar is not just a brand; it a philosophy stitches into every seams our story wounds. With fabric, but with a dream, a vision of the woman who move elegance that follow effortlessly designs the women who move through life confidence and poise. Silk, chiffon, linen, organza, every material is carefully chosen to reflect light in the gentle strength of patience and patience. From the average first sketch, a mimar dress is a bond of imaginations or an idea shaped by culture, heritage, and modern femininity. Where tradition meet innovation, where embrace we don't follow trend, we create movement that last season, style, and time itself. Each Mimadas tell a story of morning wrapped in sunlight, of evening that glow softly with laughter of memories made too lost. A lifetime is for the women who value for attention, detail over trauma, and meaning over materials. Because when you wear Mimar, you don't just wear a dress, you wear an experience. The touch of fine fabric agent your skin become a gentle reminder that elegance is not about being seen but about being remembered. Every collection being with the questions what does not beauty mean today for us? Beauty is balance, is strength, to the power of softness and quiet confidence that whisper instead of shout. Mimar is for every woman who believes that true fashion does not just challenges how you look, it transforms how you feel, it celebrates individually, empowers patience, celebration individually, and honors the art of being yourself. Mimar where every thread tells a story and every story becomes timeless. Every Mimar dress, sunlight of evening that glows softly and memories made to it. Our last time is for the women's aesthetics or attention, detail over drama and meaning over materials. From the first sketch, Amima dress is born for imaginations or an idea shaped by cultures who does not follow trend. We create movement that last seasons, style and it time itself. To move and reflect light in the gentlest way, the craftsmanship at Mimar understand that true luxury is bold, not every plate, every fold, and every stitch carries the quintessence of Mimardus and every loop of nice colors. In a world faster than movies, faster each day, every time rise and feel like whisper and remain. One thing that never loses its charm, the grace of timeless designs. Mimar is not just a brand, it is a philosophy stitches into every seams, a story wounds through every thread, every dress being not with fabric but with a dream visions. of elegance that flow effortlessly designs for a woman. The through life with confidence and poise. Sure, could be please clarify what kind of mimar dress? How here are a few options you could mean please pick on so I can write the full long describing and promoting mimar dress brand showcase fabric details. A fashion runaway video featuring mimar dress storytelling video about how mimar dress are designed and made. Emotional and motivational voice telling the story behind mimar dress, reviewing and describing mimar dress in detail. Written in a elegant tone for a fashion brand. It designed for smooth narration with modern fabric and studio shoot. Mimar dress in the alker combination and the mixing of new mimar dress. Mimar dress is only women's. The creation of mimar pieces of touch and time. Where every set tells a story and every story becomes timeless. Elegance when born for never fades. If you love, like, share, and subscribe for more. Comment that sound more